Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add transitions to your video clips in Vegas Pro 16. To start off with, all you need to do is go across to transitions and then make sure you have your video clips in your timeline. As you can see, I have two clips here. I have a bit of text that says computer sluggish, and then I have another bit of text that says CS. Once you are on transitions, as you can see, we have a lot of effects to choose from. You have 3D blinds, we have 3D shuffle, we have push, slide, split, squeeze, and lots of others. To start off with, I'm going with 3D blinds. Once you have selected the effect you would like to use, you now need to drag it down to your video clip which you would like to add the effect to. For example, I want to add it to my first video clip, so I need to select this video clip and now drag it onto it. And just simply drag it to either the start of the clip or the end of the clip. Otherwise, it will not add. Once you have added the effect, we can now adjust a couple of the settings for the effect. If you don't want to use that effect and you want to use something else, then all you need to do is simply press on this X button with the FX behind it, and that will remove the transition. Once you have adjusted the settings, we can now simply play the effect by going to the start of our clip and pressing play. And there we go. As you can see, we have a new effect, which looks pretty cool. We can also drag the effect by simply going to the edge of it and then just dragging it along. And that will just make the fade in longer, as you can see there. Right, if you would like to add a effect between two clips, like I have two clips here, all you need to do is simply drag the other clip on top of the other clip, if that makes sense. I'm just going to select my CS text now and drag it left on top of my other text. And once you have done that, you do have a nice little transition there straight away. If I just go along now, as you can see, it fades into the other text, which does look pretty cool. But if you want to use a transition effect, then we can select something else. I'm going to now select flash, and I'm going to go with a hard flash on the preset. And all you need to do is simply drag it to the center of the two clips where the X is, like that. And you can now adjust a couple of the settings. I'm happy with the settings on that, as I did do a preset. You can also select presets on this drop down menu here. Right, if I now go play, it will now flash to the other text. And there we go, it really is that simple. We can even drag it along a bit more if we want the flash to be a bit longer. There we go, it's doing a really long flash, and there we go, it really is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Vegas Pro 16 tutorials.